Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to create another account on Instagram using your Android device. Whether you want to keep personal and professional content separate or simply start fresh, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This menu icon will give you access to more options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Scroll down until you see the option to Add Account. Tap on that to begin the process of adding a new account. Step 5. Now, you'll have 2 choices. If you already have another account, you can choose Log into Existing Account. If you want to set up a brand new profile, select Create New Account. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll need to enter your email or phone number, choose a username, set a password, and fill out some basic information. And that's it. You've successfully created another account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on navigating Instagram. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your moments on your new account.